Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer r and c, representing the number of rows and columns as the input, and then we have to accept the r cross c matrix, and then each row consists of a lowercase alphabet and c minus 1 integers. So we have to sort the rows based on the lowercase alphabet present in each row, and if two or more alphabets have same lowercase alphabet, rows, so if two or more rows have same lowercase alphabet, then we have to sort those rows in reverse order of occurrence. And finally, we have to print the modified matrix. So we'll take our first test case. So in this test case, we have a 5 cross 6 matrix. So in each row, an alphabet is present. So we have alphabets, and then since B is occurring for 2 times, as we have said earlier, that if two or more rows have same lowercase alphabet, then we are going to sort them in the reverse order of their occurrence. So the logic is, first we have to reverse the matrix and then do the sorting. So first we have to reverse the matrix, and obviously this condition will be satisfied. So first let us reverse the matrix and then do the sorting. So the last row will be the first row, and automatically the rows with B also will be changed accordingly. And then this row, and finally we'll have the first row. So now this is our modified matrix, and this will be further modified based on the alphabets. So here the alphabets are A, B, B, C, D. Now let us arrange them in the way they occur in each row, that is B, A, C, B, and then D. So now, based on their occurring, that is starting from A, first we'll have the row which contains A, and then for B we have two rows. So let us take the first occurring one, and then we have the second row for that B. So after this, for C we have it here, and finally for D, so this will be our output. Now we'll take our another test case. In this test case, we have a 5 cross 4 matrix, and as we said, the logic is you have to just reverse the matrix and then do the sorting. So first let us reverse, and after reversing. Now we are going to perform the sort. So here you can see x occurs 3 times and y and z occurs 1 time. So our order should be the first occurring x, and then the second occurring x, and then third occurring x, and then we have y, and then we have z. So this will be our output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First we have to get our input integer r and c, and then we'll get the matrix in the format of, that is, we get the matrix where each item is in form of string. This is because, as we saw, in each row of the matrix there will be an alphabet. So if you are not going to get in the form of string, then definitely will get an error. So we'll get it in the form of string. So now after this, we'll have the matrix equal to matrix of -1. That is, we are going to reverse the matrix and then sort. So in order to sort, matrix equal to sorted of matrix comma key equal to lambda x and get ch of x. So here key equal to lambda x represents the row and get ch is the function where we are going to define and will return the character. And finally we have to print the matrix. So now let us define the getCH function. So in getCH we'll have the row, and then here for ch in row is for each character we are going to check whether it is an alphabet or not using the isAlpha function, and if it is an alphabet then we'll return ch. This will give us the correct output.